Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Math Solutions. I am Shilpa Joshi and today we will discuss in detail about rational numbers. In this video we will learn how to find in between rational numbers, then how to add rational numbers, how to evaluate rational numbers, how to simplify rational numbers, and then how to express rational numbers as sum of an integer and a rational number. And at the end of the video, I will take an example which is very common in Math Olympiad exam and mental maths. So keep watching. Let's start with our first question. Find 5 rational numbers between -3 and -2. You know that rational numbers are always represented in the form P upon Q. But these two numbers have no denominator. So first I will write -3 upon 1 and then -2 upon 1. Now both the numbers are having denominator and both the denominators are positive. Now I have to find out 5 rational numbers in between them. But -3 and -2 are consecutive numbers and there is no number which lies in between them. So first I will multiply -3 upon 1 and -2 upon 1 with 6 because we have to find 5 rational numbers. So we will multiply both the numbers with 6. And you know we cannot multiply just numerator or denominator. We have to multiply both of them. So first I will multiply -3 upon 1 with 6. So I will write 6 upon 6. Then I have to multiply -2 upon 1 with 6. Again I will multiply -2 and 1 both with 6. So the answer would be -18 upon 6 and this one -12 upon 6. Now I am having two rational numbers -18 upon 6 and -12 upon 6 and I get both these rational numbers simply by multiplying the original number with 6. So now I have to find in between number which is very easy. First one is -18 upon 6. So the next would be -17 upon 6, -16 upon 6, -15 upon 6, -14 upon 6, -13 upon 6. See, these are the rational numbers which lie between -18 upon 6 and -12 upon 6. So these are the answers. In our second example, I have to find again 5 rational numbers between -3 upon 5 and -1 upon 2. In these two rational numbers, denominators are there, but both the denominators are different. So first I have to change the denominator and make them same. And you know whenever we have to make denominator same, we have to take LCM. So first I will take LCM of 5 and 2 and it is 10. Again I have to change this 5 into 10 and how can I do that? First I will take -3 upon 5, then I will multiply 5 with a number to make it 10. 5 2s are 10. So again I will multiply -3 with 2 and 3 2s are 6. So first number is changed into -6 upon 10. Second number -1 upon 2. Again I will multiply 2 with a number to make it 10. 2 5s are 10. So -1 will also get multiplied with 5 and this is -5. So now I am having two numbers -6 upon 10 and -5 upon 10. So now I am having two numbers -6 upon 10 and -5 upon 10. But again these two numbers are consecutive numbers and there is no number between them. So first how many rational numbers I have to find? 5. So again I will multiply -6 upon 10 and -5 upon 10 with 6. Why 6? Because I have to find out 5 rational numbers. If I have to find out 6 rational numbers, then I will multiply these two numbers with 7. If I have to find out 8 rational numbers, then I will multiply these two numbers with 9. So always remember that you have to multiply both the numbers with one more number whatever is being asked. But we have to find out 5 rational numbers. So I will multiply both the numbers with 6. So first I will multiply minus 6 upon 10 with 6. And again I have to multiply numerator as well as denominator. So this is minus 36 upon 60. And the second number minus 5 upon 10. Again I multiply it with 6. And this is minus 30 upon 60. Now I am having these two rational numbers, minus 36 upon 60 and minus 30 upon 60. Now it is very easy to find out in between numbers. In between numbers would be minus 35 upon 60, minus 34 upon 60, minus 33 upon 60, minus 32 upon 60. One more number is minus 31 upon 60. So in this way we have find out 5 rational numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So these are the answers. I hope now it is very easy for you to understand how to find out in between rational numbers even though the numbers given are consecutive rational numbers. Now we have to add these two rational numbers. Both the rational numbers have same denominator, so we don't have to take LCM. But this denominator is negative, and whenever we have to add rational numbers, denominator should be positive. So first I will change the denominator of this number. And as you know, whenever we have to change the denominator, we have to multiply the rational number with minus 1. So first I will multiply 7 upon minus 11 with minus 1. So this is minus 7, and multiplication of two negative integer is positive. So in this way, this rational number now has positive denominator. I have to now simply add these two rational numbers. Minus 5 upon 11 plus minus 7 upon 11. Denominators are same, so I will simply write 11. And now we have to add these two negative integer. So we will do the addition part, but the sign would be always negative. So 5 plus 7 is 12, but sign is negative. In our second question, we have to add 27 upon minus 4 with minus 15 upon 8. Both the rational numbers have different denominators, and this rational number has negative denominator also. So first I will make this denominator positive by simply multiplying this rational number with minus 1. So first I will write 27 upon minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 upon minus 1. So now it will be minus 27 upon 4. So first condition is fulfilled, that denominator is positive. Now I have to add these two numbers, but denominators are different. So first I will write minus 27 upon 4 plus minus 15 upon 8. Now I have to change the denominator and make them same simply by taking LCM. So LCM of 4 and 8 will be 8. So now I have to change this 4 into 8. So I will write minus 27 upon 4 multiplied by a particular number, and you know this is 2. And you know that when we multiply 4 with 2, it will become 8. So again I have to multiply minus 27 with 2. So it will be 54. I don't have to do any calculation with minus 15 upon 8 because this rational number is already having 8 as a denominator. So now I have to add these two numbers. First number is minus 54 upon 8 plus minus 15 upon 8. Again denominators are same, so I will write 8 and minus 54 minus 15. We have to do the addition part, but sign would be negative. 5 plus 4 9 and 5 plus 1 6. So minus 69 upon 8 is the answer. In our next question, we have to evaluate. See, these are three rational numbers and we have to add them. But first condition is already fulfilled, that denominators are positive. But what is the second condition of adding rational numbers or subtracting rational numbers? That denominators should be same. All three of them are having different denominators. So first I will take LCM of 8, 16 and 4. And LCM would be 16. This rational number is already having 16 as a denominator, but I have to change these two rational numbers. So first I will take minus 13 upon 8. Now I will multiply 8 with a number to make it 16. And you know 8 2s are 16. So again I have to multiply minus 13 with 2 and that is minus 26. Next minus 1 upon 4. Again I have to multiply 4 with a number to make it 16. 4 4s are 16. So again I have to multiply minus 1 with 4 and this is minus 4. Now I am having three rational numbers with same denominator 16. So first I will write down all the rational numbers. First one is minus 26 upon 16. Then I have to put a plus sign. And the second 5 upon 16. And the last one minus 4 upon 16. See, these two rational numbers have negative numerator. So first I will add both of them. Minus 26 minus 4 divided by 16 plus 5 upon 16. Minus 26 minus 4 is minus 30 upon 16 plus 5 upon 16. 30 has negative sign and 5 has positive sign. So we have to subtract. But sign would be negative because 30 is bigger than 5. So our answer would be minus 25 upon 16. This is the answer. Now we have to simplify these rational numbers. See, simplification and evaluation are one and the same thing. Either we have to add rational number or subtract or combination of both of them. The first number is minus 1 plus 7 upon minus 9 and then plus 11 upon 12. So first we will find out whether our conditions are fulfilled or not. Minus 1 is an integer. It is not present in the form p upon q. So first I will write divided by 1. So now all three of them are having denominators. But this denominator is negative. So first I have to change this denominator into positive. So first I will take 7 upon minus 9 multiplied by minus 1. This is 9. So in this way we have changed this denominator from negative to positive. So now all three numbers would be minus 1 upon 1 plus minus 7 upon 9 plus 11 upon 12. And then we will find out whether second condition is fulfilled or not. Second condition, you know that denominator should be same, but 1, 9 and 12, all three of them are having different denominators. So first I will take LCM of all three of them and LCM would be 36. So now I have to change all three denominators into 36. So first I will take minus 1 upon 1 multiplied by a number to make it 36. You know 36 ones are 36. So again I will multiply minus 1 with 36 and this is minus 36. Second minus 7 upon 9 and I have to change it into 36. 9 4s are. So again minus 7 will be multiplied by 4 and this is minus 28. Third one 11 upon 12. 12 3s are 36. So again 11 will be multiplied with 3. So it is 33 upon 36. Now I am having three numbers minus 36 upon 36. Second, minus 28 upon 36. And the third one, 33 upon 36. See, these two numbers have negative sign. So first we will add these two numbers, but still we will put a negative sign. 6 plus 8, 14, 6 upon 36 plus 33 upon 36. Now see, this rational number has negative numerator, but this one has positive. So I will subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1. 6 minus 3 is 3. But sign would be negative because 64 is greater than 33. So this is the answer. In this segment, we have to express rational numbers as the sum of an integer and a rational number. See, this is the first question. Minus 103 upon 20. If I remove this negative sign, this number would be 103 upon 20, which is an improper fraction. And I hope you know how to change improper fraction into proper fraction. If you have not seen my previous video on fraction, just go to my playlist and check that video first. I will simply explain you. First we have to divide 103 with 20. Twenty-five is 100. And now the remainder is 3. So this quotient will be the integer part. So I can say 5. This is a integer part. And then the remainder would be the numerator 3 and divisor would be the denominator. So in this way I have changed this 103 upon 20 into two parts. First one is integer part and second one is fraction part, or you can say rational number. But now I have to put the sign also. What is the sign? Negative. So both these numbers will have negative sign. But I will add plus sign in between them. So this is the answer. In our second question, minus 25 upon 9. Again we have to divide 25 by 9. 9 2s are 18. This is 7, 0. So again our quotient will be the integer part. So this is 2 and then I will put plus sign and remainder would be the numerator. So 7 divided by 9. But again 25 upon 9 was a negative rational number. So I will put a negative sign in both of them. Minus 2 and minus 7 upon 9, and I will put it in a bracket. So this is the answer. Let's take an example from Math Olympiad exam question. Compare the following rational numbers and tell whether they are greater than, smaller than or equal to each other. See, these are two rational numbers. First one is 4 upon 10 and second one is 0.04. This number has no denominator, but this number has 10 as a denominator. So first we will remove the decimal from this number. 0.04. I can write divided by 1. Now I have to remove this decimal, and whenever we have to remove the decimal from numerator, we have to put zeros in denominator. After decimal, there are 2 digits in numerator, so I will put 2 zeros in denominator. And now I can remove this decimal part and the number will become 4 upon 100. And this number is 4 upon 10. Now I have to decide whether 4 upon 10 is greater or 4 upon 100 is greater. I think if I give you a simple example in your life, it is very easier for you to understand. If I am having 100 chocolates and if I give you 4 out of them, then it will be represented as 4 upon 100. And in second case, I am just having 10 chocolates, and if I give you 4 out of them, which part would be greater? 4 out of 100 or 4 out of 10? So definitely 4 out of 10 will be greater. So we can say 4 upon 10 is greater than 4 upon 100. So that's all for today's class. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon for the notification. We will meet in my next video. Till then, goodbye. Keep learning, keep smiling.